We'll focus on some neck movements, something that I do in my practice every single day. I find it so valuable. So we're going to make some active movements of the neck, and then we're going to look at isometrics. So we're going to resist those movements and actually build strength as well. So we'll start by gently lowering and raising the chin, nice and slowly. Just focus on the quality of the movement. We're not particularly looking for a stretch here, but we're just really focusing on the mobilization aspect. And once you've done a couple of cycles of that, rest back in the center, and then make a fist or have the flat of your hand underneath your chin, and then imagine that you're trying to flex your spine but resist with your fist. And you will feel the muscles of flexion at the front of your neck contracting. Take a few moments here. Release that, and then place your hand on the top of your head and press up as if you're trying to lift your chin, but resist it with your hand. And then you'll feel the muscles at the back of your neck tense. So just a little bit of gentle neck strengthening. Good, and release that down. And then we'll slowly take head side to side, just moving really gently here. Again, we're not particularly looking for a stretch. There's nothing wrong with that, but this is more about focusing on movement. Movement is medicine, and it's so rare for someone to move their neck in their full range on a regular basis. It's just so good for the health of the neck. Just do that a couple of times, really gently, really slowly. And then when you're ready, we'll also do some neck isometrics. So take your head slightly to the side, place your hand on the side of your head and press. Imagine you're trying to press your ear down towards your shoulder, but you're going to resist that and feel the muscles here at the side of the neck engage. Do that just a couple of deep breaths without straining. And then slowly raise the head back up, and again move just slightly into lateral flexion, and then resist any further movement with your hand, and again feel the muscles at the side of the neck contract. Gentle strengthening without strain, and release that back. Good, just take a moment, and then just slowly turn your head side to side, nice and gently. Enough of that, we'll do the isometrics again. So again, place your hand on the side of your face and imagine that you're trying to turn towards the right and resist that movement. Again, you'll feel the muscles here along the right side of the neck contracting. And release that, and then do the same on the other side. Try not to clench your jaw. Keep your face fairly relaxed. One more breath here. And release to center. Take a moment. So place your hand on your heart, and we're going to gently shift your head forward and back. Very gently. This can feel quite weird at first, but again, it's part of my kind of everyday movement regime. And then back in the center, place your hand at the front of your jaw and try to push your head forward, but resist that. Couple of breaths. Release. Then place your hand at the back of your head and try to push your head back, but resist it. Good, well done. Release. And then we're going to shift our head side to side when you're ready. And to help with this, you can have your index fingers in front of you. And this is just going to help to stabilize your shoulders so that you're just moving from the neck. Because when the hands are down, we tend to kind of do this weird thing. So, how challenging is it for you to only move at your neck, move side to side, very gently. And this can feel quite odd, but it's a important neck movement. So it's good to spend some time kind of finessing it. And then Place your hand on the side of your head and push into your hand. Couple of breaths. Relax your eyebrows. Back to center, and then opposite direction, push into the side of your head. And release. Well done. So just take a moment to breathe. Notice how your neck is feeling.